Okay, so we're going to go down here, and then the link tag, do you remember what it is? The anchor tag is what? You remember what the anchor tag is, or a link? A, right. So this is going to be a href, right? Hyperlink reference equals. Let's just go ahead and put your quotes there. Then you're going to go to a site that you like. I'm going to go to, I shop a lot on Amazon. I guess I like it. Probably shouldn't. It's kind of cutting out the little guys right now. Okay, so then right click and copy the URL. Okay. Go back into your code. And in between those quotes, paste. Control V is your friend, unless you're copying somebody else's work. And then we're going to type in what you want that link to stay instead of Amazon or HTTP blah blah blah. Okay, and then close the anchor tag. File save, and then refresh. Hey. I have way too many things open again. Hold on, let me close. I might be able to find it. All right, where'd you go? Nope. I think I did. Okay, so there it is, tiny, tiny. In my case, we'll work on styling later, so just don't worry about that being tiny yet. We're going to do some more style rules later. Okay, so if I click on that right now, is it going to take over my window or not? I have to click back, right? So we're going to make it so it opens up in a new window. So after the quote, before the arrow, target equal quote underscore, which is a shift next to your equal key up on your blank. Save. Refresh. And then that should open up in a separate window instead of taking over your web page. Yeah? Okay, I'm going to give you a few more minutes to get, yeah. I'll give you a few more minutes, get 2 more in there. We're going to do something else with them, okay? So enter the line breaks. You can copy the BR command and paste it, remember. Okay, so each of those should open up in a new tab, right? Just make sure that happens. Okay, so now realize that we just have the links. Not right now, because you'll miss out on what we're doing right this minute. So what I want you to do is, I want an image. You can make an image a link. Okay. So what's the image command in HTML? Do you remember? It's a shortened version of image, right? IMG, right? So find, I'm going to go to Amazon first. Find your site that you went to. See if you can find an image file. You might have to use Google Images. Right-click it, copy link address. Okay. Then you go into your code. Instead of this, in between our anchor tag and our closing, instead of the text, we're going to do the command img space src equal, copy the image address, save, and then refresh and see if it works. I can. My link's working. My picture isn't, so I'll fix that here. Maybe I need to go to Google Images on mine. Did yours work? Anybody? Whoa, it makes my complicated, doesn't it? Okay, so now, like once you get an image, you should be able to click it, and it is a link, right? It's still a link, but it's an image at this point that you click on, okay? So let me pull up my code again. My code looks complicated now that my image was so big, but in between the link part, you'll type this in, equal, quote, and then you'll paste the address of the image, and then you still have, you know, the ending quote there for the image, and then the closing anchor tag. Okay. I'm going to pause if I'm still recording. Okay, so making the anchor tag. This is the website. This opens up in a new tab. This is going to be where our picture is once I copy the image address. This is the closing anchor tag. So on Google Images, I'm going to right click and copy image address and paste it in there. And then there's the closing anchor tag. Okay. One more thing on this, and then I'm done with this. I mean, done with this page as a grade. We're going to add on some other concepts, but for a different grade. Okay, and I'll give you a list tomorrow, like this is what you absolutely need to have on this page, okay? figure out what you're struggling with. What tag attributes would be a good idea for an image? Tag attributes meaning what can we add to it? What if the picture shows up? Then we want alt equal describing the picture, in this case Netflix. Okay. We want height equal whatever. I'm gonna like gather that, right? Let's go 3. What did we do on the others? I think it was 300 width equal 315. Somewhere in there. We'll try that. Save. Refresh. I'll put that code back up there in a minute. Okay, so we want these side by side. So based on it might distort the picture. It might not be the greatest thing, but it's fine. We're just using this for practice. So make them all the same size. You might have to mess around with, I did Netflix, which is pretty large. So I'm going to go smaller than that. I'm going to go like maybe 200, 300. I'm going to try that. You decide on yours, like make them all the same size, but you want them to fit on a code and just modify the other ones, right? Make my life a little easier. Find the end of the code. Change the alternative text if you copy paste code, right? I'm going to take out the breaks in between, so these go on all one line. Save and refresh. I'll put this up there tomorrow so that you know what you have.